I will tell you how you can make this big head effect in Canva very easily. Are you ready? Let's learn Canva tips and tricks. First of all, I will pick this picture as an example. You can choose any picture you like. Now, I will adjust this image perfectly. Yeah, exactly like that. Now, I will duplicate this image. And after that, I will edit our duplicate image with the background remover to remove its background. Bingo, yeah, like this. Now I will go to the adjustments of our background removed picture, choose the eraser, and remove all of its body except the head. Bingo, yeah, like this. Now I will adjust his face on the original image perfectly. Yeah, exactly like that. After that, go to share and download this image as a PNG. Like that. Now I will remove all elements. Then I will go to Elements, search for a solid background, and choose this yellow background. Adjust this background, and you can choose any background according to your preferences. Now I will go to Upload and upload our previously edited image. Then click on this image, go to Edit Image, and click on BG Remover. When you're done, go to Shadows and add an outline. I will choose white because the yellow and white combination looks good. Yeah, exactly like that. But you can choose any color you like. Bingo, our work is done. Like this, you can add a head effect using Canva to level up your thumbnails. Now, go to the Share button and download it as a PNG file. And here is the final result. If you like my video, then like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye-bye.